Welcome to a demo of RideCell's automated dispatch system. This system is deployed at Georgia Tech's Parking and Transportation Department, and it is used by the dispatchers there to manage the Stingarette Safety Escort Shuttle service, which gives rides to up to 500 people every night. Let us log on to the system, but before that let me give you a quick overview of how the system works. Students call into the Stingarette number and request a ride. To do that, they provide the dispatcher with their current location, where they are situated right now, and the location where they need to go, which is their destination. And they also tell the dispatchers the number of people they need a ride for. Our goal is to make the dispatcher's job a little bit easier and less time consuming by automating several aspects of this system. So let us log into the system as Rosser, who is a dispatcher. When Rosser first logs into the system, he sees several components. First is this new tab which shows all new ride requests from students. The second is the completed requests tab which shows rides that have already been picked up or that have been cancelled. Let us say that a student decides to call in to the automated dispatch system. We are going to make this call using Skype.
Welcome to Stingarette Automated Dispatch. Press 1 to select from your previously requested trips. Press 2 to make a new pickup request. Press 3 to talk to a Stingarette dispatcher. Press 4 for an introduction to this automated dispatch system. Press 5 to leave feedback about your experience. For your start location, press 1 to choose a previously requested location. Press 2 to choose a new location. Use your keypad to input few characters of the starting location's name followed by pound.
Let us say that we decide that we want to go from the Claus Advanced Computing building to the Technology Square Research building. For Claus, we say K, L, A, U, S, pound.
You have 1 search results. Press 1 to select Claus building. If you want to, for your end location, press 1 to choose a previously requested location. Press 2 to choose a new location.
Let us say we choose a new location, and then we say TSRB, which stands for Technology Square Research Building.
Use your keypad to input few characters of the ending location's name followed by pound.
T, S, R, B.
You have 1 search results. Press 1 to select TSRB. If your location is, enter the number of people taking this route. Maximum of 6 people per trip request. Your request has been saved. Pick up at Claus Building. Drop at TSRB. 2 people in this route. You want to be picked up as soon as possible.
As you can see, the request almost immediately appeared on the dispatcher's dashboard. The dispatcher can then select to assign this trip to a driver, and when the driver arrives at the student's location, the dispatcher sets an arrival time. There are a few other features which make it much easier for students to use the Stingarette system. What happens sometimes is that Stingarette has far too many requests and a limited number of drivers working on that particular day. In that case, dispatchers are able to set the status of the system to temporarily suspended due to heavy load. And if a student calls in during that time, the student is informed that this is the case. Not only that, the student can request to be called back when the system is back up, and the system will actually call the student back as soon as the dispatcher says the system is back to functioning normally.
The Stingarette dispatch is currently overloaded with too many pending requests. We are unable to take your request due to this. Press 1 if you want us to call you back if we start taking requests again in the next 30 minutes. Press any other key to hang up.
Similarly, sometimes Stingarette is not functioning because, for example, there is a football game. When this happens, dispatchers can set a custom outage message, and again, students are able to either talk to a dispatcher or get a call back.
service has been temporarily stopped for tonight's football game. To hell with Georgia. Press 1 to talk to a cigarette dispatcher.